A spark ignites, the sky turns red, the old world fades, the new is spread. A restless soul, a fearless flame, breaking chains, I carve my name. Fire of the new, I rise again, bold and free, beyond the end. Through silent storms, I find my way. The dawn begins, I light the day. No rules can hold the dream I see.